Hi everyone, Carol's in her art room again. I'm gonna do another dip, because I love dips. I really like the ones on black, so I'm gonna go over a canvas that I'm not crazy about. Some black, and it's just mixed with pouring medium and water. So if I have this much paint, if you can see this, my finger, if you have like say an inch of paint in there, it's only like a 1/4 inch of pouring medium that I add to it, and some water to thin it down, just so it hardly makes a puddle. Just get the sides or the edges, and I'll do the sides later. With a paintbrush, you can just take some black paint and just paint it after you're done your pour. Just want to make sure there's enough paint on here because the plastic pulls it off. Just so that you don't see any canvas. Yeah, that looks pretty good now. Some paint left on my stick, so I may as well wipe it along here. Use it up. Okay. Now, for this one, I'm going to use yellow, which is Artist Loft Level 2 Cadmium Yellow. Here. Can you see that? And I've got some orange, same kind of paint, level 2 Artist Loft. It's called Cadmium Orange. Still a bit thick. I don't know if I can show you the consistency, but I'll try. And I mix these paints the same with pouring medium. See, when you let it go in there, it's a steady stream. Plus it hardly makes you don't want a big mound in there. Alright, so I got the orange, got the yellow, and I made up a little bit of kind of a rusty color with the orange, yellow, and a bit of burnt umber. A bit of this raw umber. I added orange and yellow to it just for a rusty color. And then I have the light green Artist Loft. Okay. I have a bit of gold too that I might add to the middle. Okay, so I think I will put yellow I think I'll put some yellow down first. This paint seems to thicken up on me as it sits here. I mixed it a while ago. I'm gonna try and do dots. Make them a little bit bigger. Oh, that's a bit too much there. Okay. Put some of this dark color more in the middle. Some on the outside. Okay. Now some orange. I think I'll put some this is probably enough paint. Whoa, that's too much. Oh. All right, I think that's good. Take some green. Oh. Okay, I'm just finishing up. I wonder if I should do a different color on here. All right, let's just do this. Got my saran wrap. Make sure it's nice and flat. Try and push out some of these air bubbles. I'm not pushing very hard. Oh, there's a big air bubble in the middle. Just lightly. All right, I think this is good. Corner and corner. Try and pull straight up. Whoa. Oh, looks pretty good. Always looks nice on the plastic. That's pretty nice. I like the orange and yellow. Well, the dark rusty color kind of disappeared in there, but that's okay. You can see a little bit. It might dry and show. Let's see if I can torch this. Oh, air bubbles. Air bubbles. All right, that's it. I'm going to hold it up. There you go. I think these are pretty awesome. I love it. Try it. You can do it. All right, come back soon to Carol's Art Room. I'll put the dried results at the end of my video like I normally do. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.